Greetings, this is Thomas from Test I Am, and this is going to be a quick video today just about getting started and knowing that you can do it. With starting this new adventure, doing videos and sharing my knowledge, I am practicing and learning so many things, including video editing, which I had a lot of expectations. I wanted to see these beautifully well-equipped masterpiece videos that I've seen, and I have come to learn that it's a little bit more challenging for me, and just to let go of those expectations. So many videos that I have filmed and maybe relying on the editing to be what tells the story, I have to now understand that it's me. It's sharing my knowledge and connecting with you and getting to a place where it's a little more authentic, and I don't have to have every single word correct. I don't need to edit out any mistakes because there's a lot of them, and those are the moments where I'm learning to speak more clearly, to be in a place of clarity, and it's just practice. And as much as I will say to go in and look within, it's a key in this life experience to master this matrix game of life. Seeing myself externally has also brought up new challenges and brought me to even more awareness about certain aspects of my game, of my experience. So just get started. Whatever creative capabilities, whatever ideas you have imagined, start it, and you will begin to learn so much more about yourself, about what you need to focus on, and learning not to take yourself so seriously, because this life is beautiful. It is something to enjoy, and when you stop taking things so seriously, that is when you really can experience the fun, the joy of each moment. So there may not be these fancy edits with videos with all of these things, but maybe that's not what you need. Not at this time. I will focus my intention on creating more quality connection rather than creative, beautiful content. I might use dry erase boards, as you have seen, and other things. I'm gonna choose to be more creative rather than just relying on the editing software. So yeah, that's today's video, and I'll do this more often. And the more frequent that I do this, the more that I can establish this channel of frequency, of thought, and connect. So thank you for understanding, and thank you for tuning in. But now I think that I've found my spot for meditation. If you have the ability to do any meditation out in nature, I definitely suggest it. This is where I'm going to reflect and project what's above and below. So try that, and also to get out into nature, to maybe find things for your imaging, to hone your imagination, visualization skills. I suggest getting out in nature. I am going to link in the description box a ton of essential oil, bug sprays, and things that I have created for another video that didn't quite work out. But the bug sprays are something that are beneficial to come out into nature. The essential oils can help you connect to your breath, which you don't need anything outside of you, but starting off on this journey, waking up and mastering this matrix, your breath is the key to connect your mind and body so you can effectively project and reflect. So look at those if you are inspired by those and want me to do a video without editing. Just let me know, connect with me, and until the next New Now time, this is Tess I Am.